Frame analysis. Video 3. Sections and material. It is now time to specify the cross-sections for the structure. We will use the option Section and can then choose between standard and non-standard cross-sections for steel, timber and concrete. There are also so-called numerical sections, where only the values needed to calculate the stiffness are defined. Such elements can only be analyzed, but not designed. Furthermore, it is also possible to plot an arbitrary section shape. As for steel, in this case, one can choose any standard profile, and there are 8 section shapes to choose from. If no standard profile is suitable, one of the 9 non-standard section types could be used instead. In that case, the user defines the measurements of the section. For this structure, we'll use standard sections, and the beams should be HEB 200 and the columns HA 200. Furthermore, the tension members should be circular hollow sections (33.7 diameter and 4 mm thickness). These 3 sections are now selected, and we will link them to the proper elements. In order to be able to rapidly change profile type for multiple elements at the same time, it is appropriate to divide the members into groups. Using the Control key, we can activate all beams, member 3, 6, 9 and 10, and tie them to group 1. In the same way, we activate all columns, members 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8, and tie them to group 2. Finally, the tension members, member 11 and 12, and tie them to group 3. As default, the sections is positioned with bending about the YY axis, meaning around the major axis, but they can of course be rotated, so the bending will be about the minor axis instead. The next step is to specify a steel quality. For that, we choose the option Material, and we will choose steel S355. We have now defined the steel frame, and it is time to specify the loops.